Hi friends, this is Arza Hussain and welcome to my channel iGame and Tech. Friends, today I will be unboxing and reviewing Xiaomi Mijia Smart Shoes with intelligent chip. So friends, here is a smart shoes by Xiaomi. The Xiaomi Mijia Smart Shoes with Amazfit Intelligent Tracker. Friends, this smart shoe review will help you know more about this product. Friends, Xiaomi Mijia Smart Shoes actually is a normal shoes that comes with an intelligent tracker that will help you keep track of the steps taken by using MiFit app. Friends, here is some paperwork written in Chinese. Friends, this is the shoes. The quality of the shoes is great. Comfortable to wear, attractive design, breathable and using the fishbone arc lock system that will fix your feet tightly, and the design reduces the risk of sprain in movement. The outsole quality is also pretty good. Tough, lightweight and slip resistance. Friends, here is the Amazfit Intelligent Tracker, which you have to keep inside the shoes. Here is the power source of the tracker, that is button cell CR2032. This tracker has an 6-axis sensor, 200 kg max weight, and also monitors rising rate. And this chip is IP67 waterproof chip. Friends, to reveal the tracking compartment, just remove the insole to reveal the tracking chip compartment. There is a rubber covering, you can remove that before inserting the chip. Now both the left and the right shoes comes with the compartment, so you can attach the Amazfit Smart Shoe tracking chip in any of the shoes, left or right. Now friends, let me show you how to use MiFit and Amazfit Intelligent Tracker. First of all, install MiFit app on your smartphone and then go to the devices to add the Xiaomi Smart Shoes. Better pair the Amazfit Intelligent Tracker before inserting into the smart shoe, as you need to vigorously shake the tracker to pair. Any firmware update will happen via the MiFit app. As long as you wear the shoes and walk, the tracker inside will monitor the steps. This Amazfit smart tracker will only count for specific activities like walking, jogging, and running. The button cell battery inside the tracker will easily last for over 2 to 3 months depending on your usage. Friends, if you want to buy these shoes, you can easily buy these shoes from MI Store app. So friends, this is all for today. If you really enjoyed the video, do support the channel by subscribing and sharing.